Today, we're making beef pho from scratch. One of my all-time favorite soups is beef pho. There's such a fantastic flavor from the soup, and the combo of noodles and toppings is just so good. This is a great meal option and full of flavor. So, let's get cooking. We'll start with 2 pounds of beef bones. Cover with olive oil and roast in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. We'll also roast 1 onion and a chunk of ginger in the oven too. 1 hour later, we can remove our roasted bones and veggies. In a stock pot or Instant Pot, add the roasted bones and veggies. Then add 6 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Pressure cook or simmer for at least 3 hours. While we wait, we can take our seasoning mix and heat it on a pan. You can get these seasoning mixes at an Asian market, or they're just a blend of star anise, cardamom, clove, cinnamon, pepper, and licorice. Once toasted for about 60 seconds, we can add it to a spice bag that will eventually go into the soup. After at least 3 hours, we can strain our soup to remove the bones and veggies. Then add our spice bag, and simmer again or cook in the Instant Pot for another 2 hours. Remove the spice bag, and blanch our rice noodles. Add our broth, and some green onions and cilantro. And boom, you have a delicious homemade beef pho. This is so good. While it may take a long time to cook, the effort is minimal and the flavor is putting in the work. This is delicious and just hits the spot. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.